Hello guys, I am CS Nagar and this is my second video on chapter 3, that is matrices. In my previous video we discussed about types of matrices. There is one more definition remaining, that is equality of matrices. If two matrices A and B are said to be equal, then case first, if they are in same order, and second case, each element of matrix A which is equal to the corresponding elements of matrix B. For example, matrix A is equal to first row 2 3 and second row 0 1. Order is 2 cross 2, and matrix B once again first row 2 3 and second row 0 and 1. Order also same. So here both matrix A and B both are known as equal matrix. Here order is same and all corresponding elements means A11 that is 2, here also 2. A12 is 3, here also A12 is 3. So all corresponding elements are equal and their order are also equal, then both matrices known as equal matrix. Now exercise 3.1, question number first. In the matrix A, observe this matrix. The order of the matrix, write down number of elements and write the elements A13, A21, A33, A24 and A23. So it is for homework. Now question number second. If a matrix has 24 elements, then what are the possible order it can have? What if it has 13 elements? Solution. Since we know that if a matrix is of the order m cross n, then it can have m into n elements. For example, here this matrix which is 2 cross 2. So number of elements 2 into 2, that is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So same as if order is m cross n, then total number of elements m into n. Since matrix has total 24 elements, so we will find all ordered pair of natural numbers whose product is 24. Thus, all possible ordered pairs are, first is 1, 24, because multiplication of 1 and 24 which is 24. Now 2 into 12, that is also 24. 3 into 8 which is also 24, and 4 into 6 which is also 24. Now 1 into 4, this is 1 into 24, this is 24 into 1. 2 into 12 or 12 into 2. 3 into 8 or 8 into 3. 4 into 6 or 6 into 4. So there are total 8 matrices. So possible orders which is 1 by 24 or 24 by 1. Second is 2 by 12 or 12 by 2. Next is 3 by 8 or 8 by 3. Next 4 by 6 or 6 by 4. So total 8 matrices are possible. Now if it has 13 elements, then possible orders are only 2, that is 13 by 1 or 1 by 13. Now question number 3, it is homework for you. If a matrix has 18 elements, then what are the possible order it can have, and what if it has only 5 elements? So it is homework for you. Okay, next question, question number 4. Construct a 2 by 2 matrix where matrix A equal to Aij, whose elements are given by this. Number 1, first question. Elements Aij, I plus j whole square divided by 2. Second question, Aij, I upon j, and third is Aij, I plus 2j whole square divided by 2. Solution of first part. Aij, which is I plus j whole square divided by 2, where order of matrix which is 2 by 2. So let matrix A is equal to A11, A12, A21 and A22. This is 2 by 2 matrix. Now find the elements a11, a12, a21 and a22. So first element a11. Use this definition of aij. I plus j whole square, it means 1 plus 1 whole square divided by 2. 1 plus 1, it means 2, 2 square, that is 4, 4 by 2, it means only 2. Now, a12, it means 1 plus 2 whole square divided by 2. 1 plus 2, that is 3, so 3 square, that is 9, 9 by 2. Same as a21, which is also 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1, it means 3, 3 square, it means 9 by 2. And a22, which is 2 plus 2 whole square divided by 2, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 square, that means 16, and 16 by 2, that is 8. Now, matrix A is equal to first element a11, which is 2, write 2 here. a12, which is 9 by 2, right here. a21, which is 9 by 2, once again right here, and last a22, 8, right here. So this is the answer. Now second and third part, which is homework for you. Next, question number 5. Construct a 3 by 4 matrix whose elements are given by this aij 1 by 2 mod of minus 3i plus j, and second one more question, aij which is 2i minus j. So here aij, which is 1 by 2 mod of minus 3i plus j, where order of matrix A is 3 by 4. So let matrix A is equal to 3 by 4, it means 3 row and 4 columns. So a11, a12, a13, a14. Second row, a21, a22, a23 and a24. Third row, a31, a32, a33 and a34. Now find the elements same as above. Next, question number 6. Find the value of x, y, z from the following equation. First, second and third. First question, there are 2 by 2 matrix. First is 4, 3, x, 5 and y, z, 1, 5. Now compare each element, because both matrix of same order, so compare each corresponding element. Suppose 4 equal to y, it means y is equal to 4, or 3 equal to z, then z is equal to 3, x is equal to 1 and 5 which is equal to 5. So here y is 4, z is 3 and x is equal to 1. Same as in second part, which is also homework for you. X plus y, this is first element, this is second element, a21 and this is a22. So when you compare x plus y is equal to 6, equation number 1, 2 equal to 2 as it is, 5 plus z is equal to 5. So calculate and find the value of z, that is 0. And x into y, which is 8. So x plus y, which is 6, and x into y is equal to 8. Solve these two equations and find the value of x and y. Now third part is x plus y plus z, this is first element a11, x plus z, this is second element which is a21 and this is a31, third row and first column, and 9, 5, 7, first row, second row, third row and column. So let the solution of third part. These two matrix, which is the order is 3 by 1, because here 3 row and only 1 column, 1, 2, 3, 3 row and 1 column. So it is like as a11, a21, a31. So compare the elements. So since order of both matrices are equal, so they are said to be equal matrices, and on comparing the corresponding elements, we have first element a11, which is x plus y plus z, that is 9, equation number 1. X plus z, which is equal to 5, give equation number 2, and y plus z, which is equal to 7, this is third element. Now by 1 minus 2 and 1 minus 3. 1 minus 2, when you subtract 1 minus 2, equation number 2 from 1, x and z both are cancelled out, x and z cancel out, only y remaining, and 9 minus 5, that is 4. 1 minus 3, this is first equation and third equation. So y and z cancel out, only x remaining, so this is x, and 9 minus 7, 9 minus 7, 2. So x is equal to and y is equal to 4. Now put this value in equation number 1. The equation number means x plus y plus z, that is 9. So here x is 2, y is 4, and find the value of z. 4 plus 2, 6, 6 transfer into right side. So 9 minus 6, z is equal to 3. So x is equal to, y is equal to 4, and z is equal to 3. Now question number 7 is find the value of a, b, c, d from this equation. And equation is there is a square matrix 2 by 2. First element a minus b, second element 2a minus b, third element means a1 2, 2a plus c, a2 2, 3c plus d, and right side minus 1 5 0 and 13. Compare each element, each corresponding elements, and find the value of a b c d. Answer is this: a is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to 3, and d is equal to 4. So try to. Okay guys, now some MCQs are here. Question number 8. Matrix A is equal to Aij and order is m cross n is a square matrix if there are 2 3 4 option. If it is a square matrix, then order m and n both are equal. Number of rows and number of columns are equal, so m and n both are, it should be equal. So clearly option number C is the correct answer. Next, number 9. Which of the given values of x and y make the following pair of matrices equal? So here two matrices are given. First is 3x plus 7 5, y plus 1 2 minus 3x, and second matrix 0 y minus 2 8 and 4. So here you compare 3x plus 7 to 0 and find the value of x, and also 2 minus 3x which is equal to 4 and find the value of x. If you get same value of x from a11 and a22, then it is possible. Similarly, same as the second element which is 1 2, y minus 2 which is equal to 5, and y plus 1 which is equal to x, and also find the value of y. If you find same value, then matrices are possible, both are equal. But you get different value of y or different value of x, then it is not possible to find. So please try. I think your answer should be this one. And last MCQ number 10. The number of all possible matrices of the order 3 by 3 with each entry 0 or 1 is. There is a matrix of order 3 by 3, so there are total 3 by 3, 3 into 3, it means 9 places. It means we have to fill total 9 boxes in matrix, and each box can be filled with either 0 or 1. So think about some permutations. If there are total 9 places or 9 boxes and we have to fill each boxes either 0 or 1, it means each boxes we have 2 options. So there are total 9 boxes, so it should be 2 into 2 into 2, 9 times. So your answer should be 512. So thank you guys. This is our exercise 3.1.